Sa first three lines, kinukuha yung info ni patient for patient ID, patient name, and yung age. Next naman sa room type, ay dito muna sa age int kasi number yung hinihingi. Next, for room type, input naman para sa room type. Yung room type is kung saan naka-confine si patient. If ward, semi-private, private, or ICU. Next, for day stay, lab test, medicine fee, and operation needed. Hinihingi lang din yung data about sa patient, kung ilan yung number ng days and yung lab test, and also yung medicine fee. And if kailangan ba ng operation. Next, for temperature, systolic, diastolic, and heart rate. So, ito yung vital signs, yung temp, BP, and heart rate. So, ginagamitan naman ng float dito sa 10th line since decimal. And then, etong 3, int naman yung ginamit kasi whole number. Next, sa lines na to, sorry po yung aso ko. So, pag ward, 500 pesos. If semi-private, 1K. For private, 2K. And yung ICU naman, 5K. If mali or iba po yung tinayip and ito yung lalabas, 0. Next, for room bill. Yung room bill naman is day stay multiply by room rate. Lab bill, lab test multiply by 1,200. Operation bill equals 15K if operation needed. If hindi naman, walang fee. So, yung subtotal, inad lang yung mga fees like yung room bill, lab bill, medicine fee, and yung operation bill. Next, sa age, if age is greater than or equals to 60, may rate na 0.20 for senior citizen discount. If yung bill naman is 100K, may 15% off. 0.15 since 15%. Decimal siya ng 50%. And then, magpiprint din yung high bill discount. Next, 50K, may 10% off and standard discount. Else naman, no discount. Next, discount amount is equal to subtotal multiplied by discount rate. Total bill is equal to subtotal subtract to discount amount. If temperature is greater than 38, fever, and if not naman, then normal. If systolic is greater than 140 or diastolic is greater than 90, magpiprint yung high blood pressure. Same lang din dito, pero less than. And dito naman sa part na to is yung BP status and HR status. May normal, may low rate, and yung high heart rate. Next, ito naman sa part na to is yung mga output. Dito na magpiprint yung mga in-enter na details kanina and yung mga computation sa mga bills. So, dito sa 64th line to 71st, magpiprint lang yung info ng patient. And then, sa vitals naman, pinapakita lang din yung vitals kung normal or hindi based dun sa in-enter ng patient or ng user. Next, for billing details, ayan yung total ng lahat ng babayaran nila. And meron din 0.2F since usually sa mga totals may decimal. Sa last one naman, yung status. Ito yung summary kung may discount yung patient, if okay yung vitals ni patient, gano'n. So, itong mga dash na to, parang ano lang siya, separator.